guys, today I'm going to be doing a small experiment. So what I'm going to do is I have this dead little celery, so we don't want to put it in the garbage. So we are going to do an experiment. So first we're going to put a few drops of food coloring in a cup of water, and then we're going to put the celery inside the water, and then I'm going to leave it for overnight and see if actually the food coloring goes inside the celery, and living things need water. So that's why I'm trying to do the experiment. So now I'm gonna get started. So first I'm gonna put some drops of food coloring inside the water. So I'm gonna maybe do 4 or 3, so let's do it. 1, okay, that's 1 drop. 2, and maybe 3 and 4. So 4 drops. Now I'm just going to mix it up with the celery so the color gets more mixed, like this. So just suddenly just change the color into this light pink. So now I'm gonna leave the celery in here. Oh my god, I can see a little food coloring coming up. So I'm gonna leave it in here and see if there's some food coloring. So I think it's gonna come up. So I have to, you guys can't really see it now, but it has to stay for overnight. And in the morning I'll show you guys how it looks, and it actually works. So yeah, so this is a cool experiment you guys can try. Celery, the color changed, the leaves and the celery changed the color. Yeah, and the celery is sucking up the food coloring. So yeah, and it's coming up. And it will come up all the way, and the leaves will color change after. It's gonna become like a pink celery. And it looks crunchy. Look at the water. It's only a little bit now because the celery sucked up some of the water, so now it only had a little bit. So before it was up to here, now the celery actually sucked up the water, so now it's up to here. I like the color of the color, and it looks really, really crunchy. I feel like I can eat it, but because it looks really crunchy, but you can't. There's food colorings on it, so you have to eat food coloring.